You are creating a space, you are creating your profile in 5 dimension, fifth dimension. And yes, this is happening for you. In order to keep it like that, you need to keep your cleanliness and sacredness. I'm going to do this reading for you, just for you. If you're here, if you are getting this message and you're clicking on it, yes, this is your message and you're at the right space, because I just received this message. I received this message that you are making your profile in 5D. What is 5D? It's a flow state. Flow state, just like water flows, just like air flows. And you need to keep your cleanliness in order to maintain your 5D, and you need to keep your sacredness with you. Okay. Double five message, we have this message for some kind of collective. This message will not resonate with everyone, but this message will only resonate with some people who have worked for this particular thing. This is a 111 confirmation, and I don't know whether you are ready for it or not, but this is happening for you. Okay, let's find this. Let's find what universe, what the higher self of your own self, what is it trying to tell you today? Keep your eyes closed and keep your eyes on the focus. Okay, let's find what is the message for you. We have judgment. We have Two of Pentacles. Judgment, Two of Pentacles, Five of Wands is here. Father of Cups is here. Two of Cups is here. And we have Two of Wands. I'm going to take some kind of clarity messages from the other deck. Okay. So that you are receiving the clear-cut message of what it is. This is a very short and crisp message. And I'm not going to take a lot of your time today, because I myself have to do a lot of things. Okay. Judgment. Why have we received? It's a 222 confirmation. I've been receiving confirmations like crazy right now. It's just 2 minutes in. Okay, we have judgment here. Why we are receiving the judgment for my collective today? We have a death and rebirth card number 13. So major arcana is being clarified by the major arcana. This is in the air. This is also happening for a collective. This is also happening as a transformation. You have received some kind of clarity. If you're listening to this message, open your eyes and open your ears. This message is for you, collective. You have to keep your eyes and ears open for this transformation. If you are in a transformative process, write down rebirth. Write down in the comment section rebirth. If you are not writing it down, this message may not be yours. You are not completely into your transformation at all. So I'm receiving this, that no matter even if you had to go to this way or not, were you prepared or not, you have received this transformation for you to make your profile in 5D. Why is 5D coming here in the very first place? The judgment is here. Judgment already signifying that you are taking the right steps and you are getting clarity with what kind of steps you want to take, what kind of next step that you want to take. So yes, you are self-aware right now. Write down, I'm self-aware. Write down in the comment section, yes, I'm self-aware right now. I've received 333. I'm receiving 4 right now. Why are we receiving Two of Pentacles? Yeah, you are not sure. I already told you in the very first message. So let's see, what is this Two of Pentacles for you doing here? Clarity. Two of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles is being coming in as a clarity for Two of Pentacles. I did not do this on purpose. It just, you saw what I'm doing, right? You saw it. Let's find one more clarity. Why? Because see, there is already 2 things that your mind is being diverted. Okay, because you are at the middle. You are standing in the middle of your rebirth process, right? Rebirth means what? Rebirth means there is a complete change of what you were living and where you are leading right now, right? So you are standing in the middle. You don't know how the transformation looks like. You all need to do a little bit of creative imagination how you want to move towards the, you know move towards your rebirth, how exactly you want to do that. If your eyes and your ears are open, you need to hear this message, or maybe your eyes are closed, your ears need to open right now so that you are getting this message correct. Two of Pentacles is being clarified by the Two of Pentacles, which means you already know that your focus is need to be here, and you are focusing on something else also. So there are two different things that you are focusing on right now. And whether you need to know, you already know, you already know where your focus needs to be at. And I'm getting that you are not understanding how to stop your focus going towards different things, right? So okay, you need to write down in the comment section bullseye. I hit the bullseye every time. Okay, write down in the comment section, I hit the bullseye every time. Something needs to be your target. So maybe you are not focusing on your target, you are thinking other things also, and you are touching the water, and this is why it's creating a ripple effect for you. All you need to do is focus on the target. So comment down below, I hit the bullseye every time. Okay, let's see what is happening and why you're receiving Two of Pentacles, Page of Wands. Page of Wands is in the reverse, but Page of Wands, you are looking for an opportunity, you are looking for something that you want to keep your foot in one boat, right? So there is a proverb or idiom in Hindi, right? So when you keep your two different feet in two different boats, that's what's happening. So you are thinking, where should I keep my feet? You keep your feet in your one boat, that's what it is coming for you. Also there is some kind of competition you are looking at. This next card, Five of Wands, is coming in as a competitive energies around you. People are competing with you, or maybe they have changed your mind that you are not alone, you're not the leader, and we are not going to follow you, and we are competing against you. So your focus is going there. If people have said something to you, if people have tried to shake you off who you are, they are your competitors. They may be following your lead, they may be taking your lead, but their ego is stopping them to do so, and you are getting in their ego. They have tried to take your mind off of what it is for you, right? So let's take a clarity. Why is this Five of Wands here in your energy? Two of Pentacles and Five of Wands is here. Let's see why Five of Wands is here. Ten of Wands. Yup, exactly. Three of Swords. Three of Swords and Ten of Wands. See, I'm getting this Five of Wands as the one, or maybe these other people, right? So there are different people who have hurt you, who have put their burdens on you with a competitive energy. So it could be a loved one, it could be a love situation that has broken your heart in the past, and they have given you a lot of burdens in the past. However, this Five of Wands is also the other people's energy. So if you are getting karmic right now means there is an energy in your space that is heavily karmic, and you need to know that you have already received your judgment. Receiving judgment means you know what to do, you know what is right for you, you know the clarity. You have the clarity to make your decisions, you have the clarity to choose, right? And you know which side to go. So why are you being in a state of Two of Pentacles? Why are you thinking that so even if your energy is not going to those people who have hurt you, who have put their burdens on you, who have tried to compete with you, even though you are not giving them any kind of energy, still your energy is, there is some kind of a thought behind your head that, what if this, what if that, what if they try to do this again, what if that. You are the leader, you are anyway supposed to receive some kind of competition. You should know that you are the leader, you are supposed to get other people who are, second guessing you, that whether you did right or not. But you should be clear, you should be clear, because this is your judgment, not God's judgment, not other people's judgment. This is your judgment, and you have learned it the hard way. Trust me, there are a lot of karmics around you, and that's okay, right? Also, this competition is coming in as someone who has broken your heart in a love situation. So there is this person who has hurt you in the past. This person is coming in with a confused mindset, with juggling things, and this is why you are carrying some kind of pattern like that. Let's find if this pattern can be broken or not. Let's see, what is this regarding, what is this telling us? A lot of cards. I'm going to take one card, okay? Seven of Wands. Right. Seven of Wands tries to tell you two things. One thing is that you are self-defending yourself. So you're defending yourself a lot, right? Other thing, the second thing that it talks about is building yourself electromagnetic field, or you say that a strong aura around yourself. So this is the confusion, right? People are coming to you so that, because of their unhealed version, and they think that you are also going to succumb to the unhealed version of yourself, but you don't have that no more. This is why you're trying to defend yourself. You have no unhealed version of yourself, right? This what people gave you, because you were once unhealed, right? Now you're not anymore. But all you need to do is protect your aura, not by defending yourself, but by building within yourself. This is what the transformation is about. I don't know how many of you resonated with this message, but let's move on. We have Father of Cups. So now you know what to do, right? We have Father of Cups. Why is the Father of Cups here? With the King of Wands and Three of Cups. King of Wands and Three of Cups, okay? See, something you have, this other person is being all dramatic about it. Someone in your aura is all dramatic about having what you have, right? So they want to have what you have. They always wanted it. They thought that they had it. But now you have it and they see it. Still they want, so they have put some kind of an illusion on you, or they are being dramatic about it to you. So you have all the dramas, people around you. You have all the competition around you. I don't know why, but people have been giving you this this version of themselves, right? And you are not that person. So I see that when you were doing your shadow work, or when you have done it, you already know this was gonna happen. You already were a healing energy. You already were a healing person of yourself, that this kept happening. So Father of Cups is being shown as the Father of Cups again. So these are the same energies. Father of Cups, King of Cups, same energies. I'm getting so many synchronicities in your reading. Two of Pentacles was clarified by Two of Pentacles. There is someone who is taking what is yours, right? So this is mine. I have done this, but I have not done this. You done this. So somebody like that in your aura is there. This could be a masculine figure. This could be a feminine figure also. Because these two cards are not just masculine. They are also feminine energies in some way or the other. Right. You need to see what kind of drama coming in. Also, some of your friends are really, really great. You need to be with them. It's all good. However, it could be your children also. It could be your children. It could be your friends. It could be a good company that you have, a set of people, right? But this exactly is someone. This is you. This is your energy. King of Wands energy. This is coming in to tell that this is mine, which is yours, which is right. But somebody is a drama figure who tells that, you know what, you are not the one who created this, I am the one who created this. You need to skip it altogether. That's drama. That's drama projection on you. Simple. Okay. You know it. You know it, and you're not getting insecure about it. Okay. Let's see why we have Two of Cups. So something is telling me that you have clarity. Something is telling me that you have moved on to your healed version. Something is telling me that all you need is to build yourself one more time, no matter how long it takes and no matter how strong it gets. And no matter if you have to start with a zero again, start with a scratch one more time, you have to do it, you will get it, and somewhere you will be, sent that particular way where you're making your profile in 5D. And this is not about a YouTube thing. This, like, you're not on a social media and you're still gonna be there. You're not on some other public platform. You're still gonna be in 5D. Don't worry about that, right? But you still will be moved to that situation. I've received a lot of twos for you, right? A lot of twos. Now I'm going to the Two of Cups. Why is this Two of Cups coming for you? Let's take a clarity for that. Eight of Pentacles and the Tower card. See, there is some kind of a tower that is still there in your life, and this I'm getting in the terms of love matters and in your financial or career matters also, right? So love and career both plays a very, very important role in everybody's life. How am I gonna live life, and with whom I'm gonna live my life. So this Two of Pentacles, this Two of Cups, which is your relationship with this, which is your love relationship, it is being clarified by Eight of Pentacles and the Tower card. And I'm getting that you have to learn something about your relationship, why it is getting in the middle of a breakup situation again and again. So you might have been broken up, might have broken up with someone, or someone have broken up with you, and also your career might have been suffering all this way, even though you still keep working hard. So there is this breakdown situation. Whatever this situation is for you right now, this is to make you learn something and to get rid of the karmic cycles and the same cycles that keep repeating in itself. So there is a loop that it is here. I can see that. I can see that there is a loop. So this is the answer of your loop. Seven of Wands is the answer of your loop. You have to get out of it. You have to get out of it being the perfect one. So you have to project yourself as the perfect one in order for you to get out of this. Some people call it the matrix, which is the 3D matrix, and 5D, there is no matrix in that, right? 5D has no matrix in it. 5D knows the matrix, and 5D still exists with the matrix in itself. So you have to project yourself with the best possible who you are. So I am the perfect one, right? I am the perfect one. You have to project it out like that. This is how these karmic energies will actually stop bothering you. So they are actually bothering you, but somewhere in your head that they are bothering me, so I need to be bothered. So you are getting bothered also. You don't have to be bothered about it, right? Some things in this particular cycle has come up because there is a there is something needs to go. Something needs to go from your life, which is the cycles, the toxic cycles. Let's see, there is the last card with the two of wands. We have the last card. I'm going to take the clarity for that too. Two of wands. Why we have received two of wands? I'm going to see the clarity for it. This may be your last final final understanding of where you need to go, where you need to move forward. Seven of Cups. Okay. And we have Knight of Pentacles. Your train has stopped on the platform and it's not moving. That's what I can say. And we have a Fool card at the bottom of the deck. See, I told you this might be your last clarity. How exactly you're going to move on. This is Two of Wands, where you are making decisions. You are overthinking and you are not clear what you need to do. Why? Because you think you have a lot of options. Why you keep overthinking is because you think you have a lot of options. So I'm receiving number 2s and number 7s a lot, right? And the train has stopped on the same platform is because we have received Knight of Pentacles. So there is a stuck energy, right? You think that you have to move to a particular state of being in order to get right things, but you are stopped. You are not moving at all because you don't know where to move. But God is saying that you have received your judgment. If you have received your judgment and you still don't know where to move, then it's just a time, it's a matter of time that you will be taking an action towards it. So right now you're completely at a stop, right? So you are not moving. Let's find one last card. What is the next? Although you have to take some kind of a step here. New beginnings are there. You have to take some kind of risk also. Let's see what is this final thing that you have to know. What is the final guidance for you? You're making your profile in 5D. Okay, Cups and Cups. We have received Queen of Cups, we have received Page of Cups, and we have received Four of Cups. So many cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. See, you have to start with your heart. You have to start with your big heart. Big heart means it's okay if you have not received it now, you're going to receive it. So you have to give your heart some kind of satisfaction that it's okay. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get my life on track. I'm going to receive some kind of confirmation. But let me get started. Right? Maybe on the way you will get started. Right? Something like that. So this was your reading. I don't know how many of you were resonating with it or not, but there is some kind of clarity. I know that a lot of people need it. So share it with someone who needed to hear this. And you, especially you, needed to hear this. You are in the middle of a transformation. It's just for you to move. So move your train. Be the carrier of your train, something like that. Be the driver of your train, because the first card is something with a judgment. You have received your clarities, you have received everything, you know what to choose, you know what's right for you, and still you're not choosing. That's not something that you should be doing, right? So keep moving, something like that. And every cards are supporting you right now. I made this reading and I have learned this through the reading that this is for the supporting of you, right? So love yourself a lot, respect yourself a lot, value yourself a lot, and pat your back every single day that you're doing a good thing. Okay, now I will see you next time. Till then, you keep grounded, you stay happy, healthy, and positive. And in case you want your personal reading, contact me through WhatsApp. The number is in the description box below. And like this video, comment down below, share it with someone who needs the most. I'll see you next time. Thank you.